Hey, what's going on, you guys? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm incredibly excited because I'm going to show you a brand new method, and chances are you've never seen this method out there on YouTube before, to make money on Clickbank as a complete beginner and potentially make $1,000 per day within your first 24 hours of promoting. So before we get started with this video, make sure that you, number one, like this video if you're looking forward to the content. Subscribe to the channel because right now I'm uploading content very frequently, teaching you how to build a life and business full of freedom, passion, fulfillment. And go ahead and tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. So let's jump straight into it right now. So I'm at clickbank.com. The first thing, of course, you're going to need is a Clickbank account. So head over to clickbank.com, click on sign up. Clickbank is available in most countries. If you do not find your country here, you can partner up with somebody in a country that's accepted. And then you just enter your information right here and then continue to terms and conditions, check the box, and go ahead and join Clickbank. After you join Clickbank, you can either go to the login page right here, or you can just go back to clickbank.com, click on log in, and then enter the username and password that you created. Simply log in, and it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. So you can see on the 25th, I ran a test and I did about $1,000. So let me walk you through exactly what it is that I did. Now, the concept, the idea is leveraging brand new product launches that are upcoming. Now, the reason we want to leverage new product launches is because there's very little to no competition. You see, most people fell on Clickbank because they're trying to promote products that are saturated, that have been around for a while. And so when you take the assets that the product owner gives you, they've already been saturated by everybody. There's already blogs ranking. People are already running Facebook ads. People are already doing YouTube videos. So it leaves very little for you to be able to actually leverage as far as their assets and make money with. And so what we want to do if you're a beginner and you want to make money quickly, it's not to go for the saturated products that have been around for a while. You want to go for upcoming products that are about to launch or that have just launched. So you can go to a website called muncheye.com or jvnotifypro.com, and it will give you the latest internet marketing product launches and also launches within other niches as well. So if we go to Muncheye, we want to look at the Clickbank symbol next to the product name. So you can see today, January 26th, this product has just launched, Kibo Quantum Code or Kibo Code Quantum, and it's got the Clickbank ticker there. You can also see there's one on February 2nd, so on and so forth. And so what we want to do is we want to click on the product name. Before we do that real quickly, you can see that this product is $3,497 and it pays a 50% commission. So it's going to pay you between $1,500 and $1,700 in commissions per sale. And the reason why we want to at least go for products that pay $1,000 or more is because if we do paid advertising, we can still make profit. If you're promoting a lower ticket product and you get like $100 commissions versus $1,000, you're going to pay at least $100 just to acquire the customer, and chances are you'll actually lose money. So you want to leverage high-priced, high-ticket products. That's number one. And you want to make sure, of course, they're hosted on Clickbank in most cases. And then we just want to click on the actual product name. And then what we can do is we can go to the JV page right here, and we can scroll down. And you can enter your name, your email address, and then your Clickbank ID, and then click here to register for the launch. So I'll go ahead and just do that right now, as if we're just kind of starting over here. And then it says, we will contact you soon with more information. So what they'll do is they'll email you all of your assets. They're going to email you your personal Clickbank link. Okay, this is going to be your affiliate link that you're going to go out there and then share on the internet. So when somebody clicks that unique link, then and they go through the buying process and they purchase, you're going to get credit for the sale. So this is how you sign up for this specific product launch. Again, they're going to send you all those details in your email, your affiliate link, and all the information. Once you grab that stuff, then what you're going to want to do is go to Google, and we're going to act as if we're a customer. So what happens when these products launch is that there's a slew of gurus, people that have big lists that have 100,000 subscribers, 1,000,000 subscribers plus. And when I talk about list, we're talking about list of email addresses and names of people that are interested potentially in this product that they're emailing. So when they email this product out, the information about it, then the customer is going to open the email, they're going to click it, and then they're going to actually, see the product, see the sales page, jump on the webinar, and then maybe they're not convinced. So what are they going to do? They're going to go to Google and they're going to type in the product name plus review. And you've probably done it before for different products, physical or digital products that you've came across. You're like, is this legitimate? And then you go to Google and type in the product name plus review. So what we want to do as a marketer, so when customers do that, is we want to hijack, siphon off that buzz traffic from these email lists, and we want to rank videos, blog posts, and here's the kicker, news articles at the very top of Google the day that it launches. You guys have seen me create a video about launch jacking before, following kind of the video philosophy where we rank YouTube videos at the top. Well, in this video, we're going to talk about news articles. So check out this top story list right here. This SF Weekly is called San Francisco Weekly. It's an actual news site. And these news sites carry a lot of authority. In other words, they're very easy to, rank for different articles because there's a lot of information on the site. The site is aged, so it's been around for a while. And when a site's been around for a while, Google will look at it as an authority versus a new blog site that you put up and you try and rank for Kibo Code Quantum review. It's going to be very hard for a brand new blog to rank. But what you can do is you can actually pay these news sites that are already established that rank very, very easily, rank articles very, very easily, and we can pay them to post an article on their site, and it will make it so much easier to rank. You can see the results right here from a good friend of mine, Jeff. So if I click right here, you can see this is his Kibo Code Quantum review. All he did was he submitted this article to SF Weekly, and they posted this for him. And you can see that he links out to a few different places. He links out to the directly to the affiliate link. So this is his affiliate link right here to Kibo Code, which he does right here. And then he links out to his own blog site as well. But you don't even need your own blog. You can do what he's doing here and sprinkle your affiliate link throughout your article just like he's done right here. Okay, he's got tons of different links. This one here, here's another one up here that I kind of skipped over, so on and so forth. And then he's got even a video right here that he's embedded from his YouTube channel. And this actually helps him rank his YouTube video higher in YouTube as well, because embeds, when you embed your YouTube video on different blog sites and different news sites, that also helps your video rank. So he's really killing two birds with one stone. We can even say three birds with one stone because he's got the article ranking here, he's got the video, and then he has a link out to his site at jefflenny.com right here as well. So he's doing it the right way. But this specific video, I would focus on just ranking this article at the top of Google and then sprinkling the article with your Clickbank affiliate link for Kibo Code Quantum in this case, but it could be any other new product launch as well. So you might be wondering, well, how do you actually get the article written? Well, what you can do is about 3 to 4 weeks before the actual product launches, you can just go to Google once again, okay? And I'm just going to go to Google over here and type in Kibo Code Quantum review again, or even reviews. And then you can scroll down here and you can see tons of articles of people that have uploaded a review on Kibo Code Quantum. So in this case, we can grab this one right here. Okay. And then we can essentially take this whole entire article, take the whole entire thing, and then we can go to a website called Fiverr.com, and we can have that article rewritten for a 100% uniqueness. So it's not plagiarizing whatsoever. And all you got to do is just type in rewrite article. Hopefully it doesn't make me sign in first. It might make me sign in. Nope. And you can see that all of these gigs and these specific providers will offer to rewrite your article. I typically like to look for 5-star reviews and at least over 40 to 50 reviewers. So this one has 195, which that's an indication it's good quality. This one has 54, 163. So a lot of people available to rewrite your article. And then after that article is rewritten, then you just simply go to this SF Weekly site, for example, and you scroll down to the bottom and you can see a spot where it says advertise. You just click on advertise, and then you follow the info right here, like email contacts. It says writers and reporters with news pitches are encouraged to email our news department. So you can email like this SF Weekly at sfmediaco.com. Just let them know, hey, I got an article I would love to pay to post to your site. I would like it to go live on X date. And typically you want it to go live on the date or just a day before the product actually launches. So in this case, this launched today, January 26th. So you want to post the article on the 25th, just like my main man, Jeff, did. And once you do that, they will allow you, I'm sure they're going to send you a form where you're going to paste the article before you submit it. And then you want to make sure that you have your links, your affiliate links, just like Jeff does right here in his review. So you can have anchor text, which is what this is, where you can highlight this and then make it so it links out to your affiliate link. He's also got one right here, so on and so forth. So you just sprinkle your affiliate link throughout the article. And then what'll happen is now when somebody goes and they type in whatever your product name is, so in this case, it's Kibo Code Quantum Review or Quantum Reviews, and your article will be ranked in the top story section right here, which is at the very, very top. And you can see there's other people that have done this already. So you can go to, there's another site called Bellevue Reporter, and I believe you can scroll down to the bottom. Once again, I'm sure you can probably find, let's see, privacy policy, accessibility, print editions. I think if you go to classifieds up here, I'm not sure if this is part of the classifieds. It looks like it's part of the marketplace based off of the URL right here. But I'm sure you can go to, marketplace right here. And there's got to be a spot somewhere where you can contact them and contact us. It's actually right there. And then you would just simply say, hey, I would love to post an article to your site. How much is it? What's required? So on and so forth. And then you've got another one right here. Same thing. This is another review. I'd like to know where kind of this links out to. It's not going to tell me who's promoting. We knew the first guy was Jeff because we saw obviously his name and the name of his website. But you can see other people are doing this as well. And you can post articles to all of these different news sites. You can post one to each. And if you're spending $500 to post the article, but you're making, $1,000 back, then all is good, right? This is a process that has proven to work, because if it wasn't, people would not be doing this. So on each of these websites, just scroll to the bottom. There's usually a contact, page where you can contact them and obviously inquire on getting your article uploaded. Again, you want to make sure your links are in the article that the product owner gave you when you first registered to be an affiliate. And from there, you'll be good to go. And you can see all of these were uploaded within the past day. This one was a week ago, but the hottest ones were a day ago. So right when the product is launched, okay, the day that it is launched, you want to make sure that's when, or at least within 24 hours, I said a day before, you want to make sure your article is uploaded. So that said, I hope you got value. If you did, let me know by liking this video. Check out the resources section below if you want to take your life and business to the next level using and leveraging the affiliate marketing business model. And comment below if you have any questions, and we'll see you guys in the next one.